Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about Pilgrim Vino sunrise ritual. That is the morning skincare routine which I personally follow on my skin every day morning. And today I'm going to talk about especially the three very good skincare products by the brand called Pilgrim. Now, Pilgrim is a global brand which brings natural beauty traditions from across the world under one platform. All its ingredients are sourced globally, but all its products are made in India and are cruelty free. So let's just explore and unbox the Pilgrim Vino Sunrise Ritual. So these are the three products which I use personally on my skin every day morning before starting my day. I always wash my face with this red wine face wash. Then after that I tone my skin using this face mist and toner by Pilgrim, and then I apply this face cream which has SPF 30 in it on my skin before moving out. So this Pilgrim red wine face wash fights aging, deep cleanses and nourishes your skin. This delicately fragranced and gentle cleanser captures impurities while softening and brightening dull, tired looking skin. The soothing touch of aloe vera and vitamin C keeps skin bouncy and young. After the face wash, apply this face mist because this face mist works as a toner, and you must be knowing the basic rule of skincare, which is CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So once you cleanse your skin with this face wash, you have to use a toner so that you can minimize the appearance of your pore. And the best product or the best face mist or the toner is by this brand called Pilgrim. Now this face mist and toner rejuvenates your skin like a dewdrops on a petal. This has red wine extracts, niacinamide, vitamin B3 and aloe vera. Now this makes your skin look young and vibrant. Niacinamide helps minimize pore and appearance, while aloe vera softens and smooths over fine lines. After toning your skin, the next and the last step is to apply a face cream and a sunscreen. Now the best part of this face cream is that it has sunscreen properties also in it. So it has SPF 30, as you can see, along with the properties of face cream, which not only keeps your skin supple and nourished throughout the day, but it also protects your skin from the UV rays of sun. This unique multitasking formula revives your complexion and provides long-lasting sun protection. It infuses your skin with moisture, antioxidants and regenerative components. The light, bouncy texture sinks into your skin without leaving an oily residue for a radiant matte finish. It's the most important and unmissable step in your morning routine for fresh, firm and healthy skin. So I have already washed my face with this beautiful face wash by Pilgrim already, and you can already see the glow on my face. Now after face wash, I always tone my face using this Pilgrim face toner. You just have to spray a few. Then the last step in my regime is to apply this face cream. Usually I apply sunscreen over the face cream, but this time, because this Pilgrim face cream has sunscreen properties also, it has SPF 30 in it. So this is a one in all product which I apply. So I just take few a little quantity of this particular cream on my hand, and then just gently apply it all over my face. And let me just tell you, this cream is not at all oily. So this means that this goes with all type of skin. So I have a combination skin in winter season, which turns oily in summer season. So this cream is perfect for those skins also which turns their type according to the season. So as you can see, this cream doesn't leave my skin greasy at all. It is perfectly apt. It is just like a matte moisturizer, and along with that it protects my skin from the sunlight as well. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go and grab this product. grab the products of Pilgrim, and trust me, you will love these products. These are not at all super expensive. These are quite economical and affordable products. These are all made in India products. So I would highly recommend you to go and give it a try. All their products are available on different e-commerce websites like Amazon, Nykaa, Purpell, Foxy, etc. So guys, go and buy for yourself now.